reduces the design of microprocessor for industry standards. It allows each instructions to operate on any register or use any addressing mode and simultaneous access of a program and data. Here we have a look on one example of CISC and RISC instruction set. Now here we are having one example. Now from this example we can say that RISC system shortens the execution time by reducing the clock pulse per instruction, and CISC system shortens the instructions time by reducing the number of instructions per program. The RISC queue. So finally from this we can say that the RISC give the better execution than the CISC. Now this is the classification which we had got based on the instruction set. Now one more classification we can do, which is based on the memory architecture. So based on the memory architecture, again it is got divided into two categories. One is the hardware memory architecture microcontroller, another one is the Princeton memory architecture microcontroller. When we talk about the hardware memory architecture microcontroller, here particularly what happening, this type of microcontroller unit has a dissimilar memory address space for program memory and data memory. So there is no any similar port. They both will having a dissimilar memory address space for both program memory and data memory in the case of a hardware memory architecture microcontroller, whereas in the case of Princeton memory architecture microcontroller, a common memory address is for both program memory and data memory will be there. So this is about the classification of microcontroller based on memory architecture. So here we got completed about the classification of microcontroller based on the different categories. So now in the next section we will discuss about the architecture of microcontroller. Afterwards we are going to discuss about the pin diagram of microcontroller. For now, thank you everyone.